Current Credit Builder works by reporting your payment activity to credit bureaus, so on-time payments can help build credit history over time, instead of just sitting in your banking app. By the end, you'll know how Credit Builder actually works inside Current, what it can improve, and the situations where it will not help your credit at all. Start with the most important limitation. Credit Builder does not instantly improve your credit score. It only affects your credit if your activity is reported to credit bureaus and your payments are made on time. That reporting process is what turns normal payments into credit history. Now explain what the feature actually is. Credit Builder in Current is usually tied to a structured account or line that records your repayment behavior. You make payments through the system, and those payments are tracked over time. The key idea is consistency, not speed. Now explain how it works, step by step. First, you enroll in the Credit Builder feature inside the Current app. Then you follow the payment schedule that Current sets up. Each payment is recorded as activity on your account. That activity is what gets reported and added to your credit profile if you qualify. Now, explain what it can actually do. Credit Builder can help people who have little or no credit history start building a record of on-time payments. That is important because payment history is a major factor in how credit profiles are evaluated. Now, explain the biggest misunderstanding. A lot of users think Credit Builder will quickly raise their score or fix bad credit. That is not how it works. Late payments, missed payments, or inconsistent use can limit any benefit or even have no positive effect at all. Now explain who it is for. It is most useful for people starting from zero credit history or trying to establish a basic track record. It is less useful for people expecting fast score changes or immediate approval for large loans. Now give a simple usage checklist. Open Current. Go to Credit Builder. Check eligibility and enrollment options. Follow the payment schedule consistently without missing payments. Now summarize the key points. Credit Builder works by reporting payment behavior to credit systems. It depends on consistent on-time payments to be useful. It is a slow building tool, not a fast credit boost. One practical next step. Check if your current Credit Builder activity is being reported before relying on it, because that determines whether it will actually impact your credit profile. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of finance apps without confusing terms or marketing language.